Let's turn to tonight's Get Real India story, where a controversial move by the Nashik Municipal Corporation is sparking outrage across the city. This is a proposal to cut down nearly 1,800 trees to make way for a Sadhu Gram ahead of the Kumbh Mela in Nashik next year. It's drawn sharp objections from both environmental groups and local residents. While the corporation there insists that only trees under 10 years old will be removed, activists are warning of severe long-term impacts on Nashik's climate and air quality. Take a look at tonight's Get Real India story, a classic clash between environmentalists and those who believe that the Kumbh Mela must get primacy.
A controversial move by Nashik Municipal Corporation has sparked outrage among citizens and environmentalists alike. The corporation's proposal to cut down nearly 1,800 trees in Tapovan to set up a Sadhu Gram for Sadhus and Mahants for the upcoming Kumbh Mela has led to objections.
कुंभ मेला ये हमारा भारत के श्रद्धा की बात है और ये हमारा भारत के नागरिक नहीं सिर्फ बाहर के नागरिक आके देखेंगे हम क्या बताएंगे उन लोग का कि हम पेड़ काट के हम ये सभ्यता दिखा रहे हैं.
Environmental groups are calling for an immediate halt, pointing out that trees like Kadunimb, Tamarind and Jambhol are being marked for removal. They warn that this could have severe long-term effects on Nasik's climate and air quality.
ये जो 1800 झाड़ जो महानगर पालिका कह रही है कि हम तोड़ेंगे साधु ग्राम बसाने के लिए, हम इसका निषेध कर रहे हैं और एक भी झाड़ टूटना नहीं चाहिए.
The municipal corporation, in a bid to calm public unrest, has clarified that only trees under 10 years will be affected. But questions remain: how can the age of these trees be verified? And can this destruction really be justified? With protests intensifying, the final decision will be made after a public hearing. With Praveen B. Thakre, Bureau Report, India Today.